Hi friends, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler, and today we're tackling something super common, removing dollar signs in Excel. Now, I personally love this little lesson because once you understand the difference between a formatted dollar sign and a typed-in dollar sign, you can clean up your spreadsheets so much faster. And trust me, this small tweak makes a huge difference when you're preparing reports, especially if you're sharing them with others. All right, let's get started. First things first, we need to check if that dollar sign is just formatting or real text. Here's how. Click on the cell in question. Let's use cell B3. Look up at the formula bar. If you only see the number, for example, just 100, then the dollar sign is purely formatting. It's not actually stored in the cell value. Now let's try another one. Click on D3. In the formula bar, you can actually see the dollar sign $100. That means the symbol is part of the actual text stored in the cell. It's been typed in. If it's just formatting, the fix is quick. Select the cells you want to change. I'll select these three here. Right-click and choose Format Cells. In the window that pops up, under Category, you'll see it's set to Currency with the dollar sign. Change Currency to Number. You can tweak extra settings here if you want, like decimal places or thousand separators. But for now, we'll leave those as they are. Click OK. And there you go. The dollar signs are gone, but the numbers stay exactly the same. Now, if the dollar sign has been typed directly into the cell, like in column D, we'll use a different method, the super handy Find and Replace. Here's how. Select the cells you want to fix. I'll choose these three. Go to the Home tab, click Find and Select, then choose Replace. In the Find What box, type the dollar sign. Leave Replace with completely blank, because we just want to remove it entirely. Click Replace All. Excel will tell you how many changes it made. Here, it's 3. Close the window, and you'll see the dollar signs have been wiped out from all the selected cells. And that's it. Now you know how to remove dollar signs, whether they're just part of the formatting or actually typed into your data. Go ahead. Pause the video and try it yourself on a few cells. The more you practice, the quicker this will become second nature. Thanks for watching. Excel really isn't as scary as it looks, and I'm so glad we're learning together. You're doing amazing, and I'll see you in the next tip.